How to repair Outlook PST file. So you can repair your PST file, Outlook PST file, by using Scanpst application. You can scan with this. So let's start with the video, guys. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first, open your Outlook. Okay, open your Outlook here. Now just go to the file, go to the accounts settings, and here you have to select the which accounts or PST file you want to scan or repair. Just go to the file location. This folder, the file location folder, will be open here. Now just copy this folder link or folder path link. Now come to the your my computer or this computer, go to the C section. Under the C you have to choose out of these two. So in my case, I have my Microsoft Outlook in this Microsoft file. You can check with program file with 86. I just go here, and here you can see I have Microsoft Office. Now here you have to select the Microsoft Office and search here within tab here scan. Then the application will, you can find the scan PST. Just double click on it, it will be open. Now you have to paste this, you have to browse the here PST file, paste this link where we had copied, just hit enter. Okay, so from here you have to choose this account. So where it is thing. Okay, so this is netcast HD, netcard HD. Okay, I just choose this one, open. And now you have to close your Outlook first before you scan or repair. Now start it. It will be scan your PST file, it will be repair your PST file. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.